I am super excited to be making this video announcing the release of category-based filtering. Now, category-based filtering is a new feature in OutboundSync. Reminder that OutboundSync sits between sales engagement platforms like Smartlead and CRM software like HubSpot. So because we're sitting in the middle and we're handling data flow between the two applications, it is a two-way sync. There are situations where you only want certain data selectively or conditionally to sync over from Smartlead to HubSpot. For example, you only want interested leads or positive replies to go from Smartlead into HubSpot. With category-based filtering, this is possible. What we do is we're monitoring and logging all of the replies, all the sent emails, all the opens, all that activity, and we're holding on to it basically until a lead category update comes through from Smartlead, indicating that the lead is a positive one, an interested one. Once that happens, we release the queued previous activities all into HubSpot, so you can see a total history of the record, not just what's included in that category update from Smartlead, but every previous activity all logged natively into HubSpot. So this is what it looks like inside of the application. You can configure it. I just want to note that you can also select custom lead category IDs. So if you're doing that in Smartlead and you've got your own custom prompting that you're doing to categorize the leads, that is supported in OutboundSync as well. We're getting that API key from your Smartlead account and we're syncing that data over. So I'm going to hit pause really quick. I'm going to go fetch the reply and then I'll be back. All right, let's continue. So I've got the email that's sent from Smartlead. This is from me to me. Intro CRM was the agency that originally built OutboundSync, and OutboundSync is now its own company, a fully dedicated software company. We joined Tiny Seed. We're growing. A lot of exciting things happening, but I've still got some of the old agency stuff, so I'm going to use that for this test. So here's my. In this case, this is the inbox from the prospect, right? The reply. Turn off logging here. I'm not sure if this is a fit for us right now. Open to it. Okay. I'm gonna hit send here. And then what we're going to do from here is we're going to go back to the Smartlead inbox. We're going to check on HubSpot. You're going to see that that reply is not logged. Back to Smartlead, we're going to categorize it as interested actually. And then we're going to see everything flow through. All right, I'm going to hit pause. I'll be back. All right, we're back. Now, here we are in HubSpot. I'm going to show you that that reply did come through, but you can see that nothing has synced yet. Nothing is in here, okay? Now, we can go in the master inbox and you can see that a reply was received. The email was opened twice, and then you can see the reply here, but it's not in HubSpot. And what I'm showing you here is the view of contacts that have been assigned to me. And so this contact will be rotated over to this account once a payload is received. So this is a way of only assigning a reply also once it's marked as interested. All right, so I actually never, I'm testing this fully live right now. So let's just see what happens. I'm going to mark this lead as interested. Okay, so I see that here. This campaign is done. Let me just show you this copy really quick. So this is the actual Smartlead campaign, really simple. Okay. And all right, I'm going to pause this, just make sure I don't show anything I'm not supposed to here, and then I'll be right back. It totally worked. All right, here we go. We've got our contact. I'm playing around in our dev portal right now, so I just didn't want to, it's got some different email addresses and stuff in it, which is why I just want to share things, but it totally worked. All right, so here we go. You can see this is created at 11:01. I was just clicking some things for the last 2 minutes. This is our test account. This contact didn't exist in HubSpot before. You can see that it was created at 11:01. The lifecycle was changed to lead. You've got the email that was sent, that was logged and sent. You've got the lead category update that was applied. We've got the sent email here. We've got the reply event and the open event all dropped in sequence here. Here's the full reply logged as an email. This is an email activity in HubSpot in addition to these timeline events that we've synced here. And then I rotated the contact owner, the company owner, and the task. So if you jump over to the company of Intro CRM, you can see these activities are all synced up at the company level as well. So yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty excited about it. This is going to be great. So the use case for this is going to be, if you're an agency and you're running campaigns for your clients and they only want to get the interested replies, or if you're running like a very tight compliance situation where you only want like very specific circumstances where leads are pushed into HubSpot, great fit for that too. And like I mentioned, custom lead categories are supported as well. And so, there would be different circumstances where you would want different types of replies to be synced and pushed over. Maybe you don't want to get all the out of offices and things like that. So really, really excited about this new feature. It is live now in OutboundSync. So users will be using it today. And then we'll be obviously running demos showing how it works for new folks, but really, really excited. And the last thing I'm just going to mention here is that something that's been really picking up is our partner program. So we're actually working with quite a few leading agencies helping deploy this for their clients. So if this is something that all sounds interesting, but you're not sure how you would even begin to set this up, get in touch, because I can refer you to some agencies, folks who frankly I've known for years as peers back when I was running Intro CRM as an outbound agency. And they're doing incredible work at scale, sending really, really sophisticated outbound campaigns with segmented lists and great copy and using GPT. And so, if there's a chance for us to connect you with an agency that can run these campaigns for you so you can get this type of result inside of your HubSpot portal, let me know, because there's a lot going on behind the scenes here to make everything work. But I'm really excited about it, and I appreciate you taking 7 minutes to watch with me. Thanks.